Leo wakes up early. The sun is shining. He feels excited and a little nervous. Today is his first day at school. He gets out of bed and smiles. Leo goes to the kitchen. His mom makes toast and orange juice. Good luck today, she says. Leo eats slowly and thinks about school. His backpack is ready. Leo walks to school. The street is busy. Other children walk with their parents. Some kids laugh and talk. Leo walks quietly and looks at the big school building. Leo enters the classroom. It is big and colorful. There are many desks and books. The teacher smiles and says, "Welcome." Leo sits at a desk alone. He feels shy. A girl walks over to Leo. She smiles and says, "Hi, my name is Emma." Leo smiles back and says, "I'm Leo." Emma sits next to him. Leo feels better. It's playtime. The children play with blocks and puzzles. Emma and Leo build a tall tower. They laugh and have fun. Leo forgets his fear. At lunch, Leo sits with Emma and two other kids. They eat sandwiches and drink juice. They talk about cartoons and games. Leo starts to feel happy. After lunch, the teacher shows a big picture book. She asks questions. Leo raises his hand and answers. The teacher says, "Good job, Leo." He smiles proudly. The teacher gives Leo a gold star sticker. "You were brave today," she says. Leo puts the sticker on his notebook. He feels proud and strong. School is over. Leo walks home with a big smile. He waves goodbye to Emma and the other kids. "See you tomorrow," he says. Leo loves school now. Thanks for watching Leo's first day. We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English stories.